A dishwasher is a robotic machine that does a series of complex actions to get your dishes clean, just the way you want them to be. Simply put, a dishwasher cleans and rinses dirty dishes. Its cleaning mechanisms are quite simple. You load dirty dishes into the machine, add detergent, sets the correct wash cycle, and turn the machine on. After this, the dishwasher achieves series of different functions by itself. Understanding what the dishwasher does helps you maximize your machine and get your dishes clean. What happens inside the dishwasher? The main mechanism of cleaning dishes and giving it a sparkling and clean look is its use of hot water. Inside the dishwasher, water is heated to a temperature of about 130 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the heating of the water does not happen immediately except models that don't have a built-in water heater. These types rely on heated water from the kitchen. The machine draws water in from water supply in your home through an external hookup. At the beginning of the washing cycle, the water is supplied to a small basin below the dishwasher. Then a heating element that is below this small basin turns on and starts to heat the water. Simultaneously, detergent and water are mixed together in the small basin. Then it is pushed into the spraying arms found at the top and bottom of the machine or sometimes underneath the upper rack. Water flows through the spraying arms and removes food stains from dirty dishes as it forcefully hits it. This water flows back to the small basin below the machine. Here, it gets purified, reheated, and pushed back into spraying arms. This process is a continuous one. When the water is at the right temperature, the water heater switches off, and water is continuously pushed through the spraying arms. By the end of the washing cycle, all used water drains to the basin below the machine where it is drained out of the dishwasher. Then clean water is pumped into the machine, and the cycle starts again. Dishwashers vary in features. In some, used water is flushed out through the pipes underneath your sink. Others drain water through a hose into the kitchen sink. The drying cycle is the last step in a washing cycle, but it is not compulsory. During this cycle, the heating element that is below the machine heats the air inside and helps the dishes get dried. This is sometimes not advisable so energy can be saved. Here are the main parts of the dishwasher. 1. Heating element. They are made up of pieces of metal that convert electrical energy into heat energy. The heating elements warm up the water to the right temperature. 2. Water pumps. The water pump is a motor that pushes water forcefully through the spraying arms during the cleaning process or through the drainage after a washing cycle. The mechanism of the water pumps is regulated by the machine to ensure that water moves in the right direction. 3. Spraying arms. They are hollow water arms that help to pump water around the dishwasher. The pressure of water pushed through it causes it to rotate and get the dishes cleaned in the process. 4. Dispenser. It dispenses detergent for cleaning dishes and rinse aid at the ideal time during the washing cycle. 5. Racks. There are 2 rack compartments in the dishwasher. They are the upper and lower racks. This is where you load your dishes prior to washing. 6. Water inlet valve. This part regulates water flow in and out of the dishwasher. 7. Drain hose. It drains used water from the dishwasher through the drainage system. 8. Control settings. This is used to control all activities within the dishwasher. The dishwasher cleaning cycle has 3 major stages. They are: 1. The rinse or pre-wash stage. This is the initial stage in a dishwasher cleaning cycle. It involves forcing water through spraying arms to get all the dishes wet and not necessarily to do a thorough cleaning of the dirty dishes. Some models come with a pre-wash section for detergent. This adds an additional cleaning action to the cycle when the dishes are very dirty. This stage usually takes only a few minutes before it is completed. 2. The main wash stage. This is the major stage in the washing cycle. In this stage, water is reheated, pumped round, collected, purified, reheated, and sprayed again round the dishwasher. When the heater turns off after the correct temperature is reached, it continues spraying water like earlier explained. At the completion of the main wash stage, all used water is removed from the machine. This stage takes about 20 to 60 minutes depending on the wash cycle. This stage can be repeated at different times throughout the duration of the cycle. 3. The final rinse and wash stage. During this stage, clean water is pumped into the machine and the initial processes commence again. This stage may use detergent or only water for the final rinse and wash stage. The total duration of this stage is about 20 to 60 minutes. It can be repeated several times during this cycle. In addition, some manufacturer includes other rinses and washing cycles. Do not use cold water to wash dishes as it leaves your dishes unclean or leaves undissolved detergent on the surfaces of your dishes. You have a role to play in the maintenance of your dishwasher. Here are a few tips to help it to function optimally. 1. Do not overload your dishwasher, so all surfaces of your dishes get properly cleaned. 2. Use dishwasher-safe detergents to prevent dishwasher-suds overflow. Also, use detergent that can completely neutralize hard water. 3. Do not place silverware and steel-coated dishware side by side, it may lead to corrosion. 4. Never put wood, crystal, hand-painted, or copper-coated dishes inside the machine. Instead, wash these items with your hands. 5. Arrange your dishes in a way that their dirty surface faces the spray jets in the middle of the machine. 6. Place spoons, bowls, and dishware with the same shape apart to prevent nesting. 7. Use a rinse aid mode to prevent spots from settling on your dishes. It also helps it to dry faster. 8. Do not pre-rinse your dishes before washing in the dishwasher. The machine depends on baked-on foods to maintain a good pH. But you must make sure you scrape off large food particles into a garbage can before loading your dishwasher. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below. Then turn on your notifications so you'll know when we post a new video. Also, drop your comment so we'll know your thoughts. Don't forget to check the description below for more details. And visit our website, zimdishwashers.com for more dishwasher content like this. Thanks for watching.